You see, with clear skies, dry air, and light winds, the temperatures free fall pretty quickly during the evening, so we will clearly see some spots that get into the 30s tonight, even though downtown Boston will only drop to about 48. Here are your projected overnight lows. And in the cold spots, it could be just a bit colder than that. So we do have a frost advisory for a lot of Metro West. There's been some scattered frost in these areas, certainly not a killing frost. And I'm not saying tonight will be a killing frost either. Farther west, by the way, the idea is that the growing season has already come to an end. That's why there's not a frost advisory. All right, some sun to start your day tomorrow. Then the high clouds come in. Then they thicken. Then they lower. And there comes the rain right around or just after the evening commute with the strengthening storm. The heavy rain, heaviest rain, will be between the two commutes, even though it could still be wet on Thursday, especially early and particularly north and west. 1 to 3 inch rainfall amounts quite likely with this, and a lot of that occurring over a 6 to 8 hour period. So there could be some localized street flooding, but a lot of it could occur while you're asleep overnight tomorrow night. Now, the winds don't start out too strong. They get a little bit stronger tomorrow afternoon, build tomorrow night, and then midnight to dawn, overnight Wednesday night into Thursday morning, from the easterly wind. That will be the strongest. But keep in mind, the storm goes by but keeps getting stronger, so a westerly wind will be very strong, if not powerful, during the day on Thursday. A closer look at the clear start, the cloudy finish, and the rain on our doorstep for the evening commute with a heavy rain to follow. So overall for tomorrow, morning sun, afternoon clouds, and rain and wind at night. Will be right around 60 for a high temperature before the rain does indeed move in. Again, this is the storm system that will eventually go by us, giving us the swath of heavy rain ahead of it and showery, windy weather behind it on Thursday. All right, let's check it out for your next 7. Here you go. Impact weather for tomorrow night. That's for the rain and wind, and impact weather Thursday for the wind. Friday is still a breezy day, but a brighter day, and then less wind on Saturday, bright and sunny, chilly start, milder afternoon, and a little warmer on Sunday. Some damp weather could return sometime early next week. See you later tonight. I'm meteorologist Harvey Leonard.